We humans use a lot of energy, and some traditional energy sources are running out. Where can we find alternative energy sources? These days, one popular source is wind. In 2013, the largest offshore wind farm opened here in the open sea. It's called the London Array, and it's located about 12 miles from the southeast coast of England. How was it possible to build this giant wind farm in the water? This was the answer. Discovery is a special ship that can rise completely out of the water on giant legs. It made a safe building area in the middle of the sea possible. And it could hold all the parts to build each wind turbine. These huge pieces of the turbine look like airplane wings. They were designed to get as much energy as possible, even from light winds. But as you can imagine, they were difficult to assemble, especially in windy weather. It took a team effort. Everything had to line up perfectly. Success. Each one of these wind turbines is almost 400 feet across. That's 120 meters, about as big as the London Eye. And they built 175 of them. Every turbine can provide power for 3,000 homes. So now, because of the London Array wind farm, over 500,000 homes in England have clean electricity.